In this video, I will show you how to buy meme coins on Phantom Wallet. Now first, you want to go and deposit some money into your Phantom Wallet. If you're not sure how to do that, I've recently created a video about that and I'll link it down in the description. So first go and watch that one, and after you have some money in your account, so you've deposited some money, then from the home screen here, just click swap. And now at the top, select the currency that you own. So for me, it's Solana. And then at the bottom, just click on whatever it says right now. And you can also pick a specific cryptocurrency on one of these networks, for example, on Solana. And here you can already see some of the larger cryptocurrencies, but if you just search for something, you will see there are a lot more. For example, if I search for dog, if I just search for dog, then even here there are already this many. And it's the same with any of these kind of keywords. So for example, cat, you can see here there are also dozens of different cryptocurrencies. So you can just find one that you would like to buy. For example, I'll just take this one. And then here you can then choose how much you want to do. For example, 50% of my Solana. And then you can just go and click on review order at the bottom and then confirm it. And then you will have bought that cryptocurrency. So that's how to buy meme coins on Phantom Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.